Hello everyone and welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen. A happy Women's Day to all of you. Today I will be making a very healthy Women's Day special strawberry banana avocado smoothie by following a simple and easy to make recipe. A smoothie is a drink made by blending pureed raw fruits or vegetables and can be made with water, fruit juice, milk and even yogurt or ice cream. This strawberry banana avocado smoothie is a meal in itself and is especially beneficial to women and growing kids as it is a good source of the much needed iron, calcium, fiber and good or unsaturated fat. So, to make a healthy and a meal in itself smoothie, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup of strawberry, 2 bananas, 1 avocado, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt or any vegan Greek yogurt, 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and this is optional, and 1 cup of milk. You can use almond or soy milk for a vegan recipe. Wash and cut the strawberries into biteable pieces. Now take the bananas and cut them into biteable pieces. Then transfer them into a Ziploc packet or a box and freeze it for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours or even overnight. I normally cut and keep a batch of strawberries and bananas in my freezer to easily whip up this smoothie on busy mornings. Now take a grinding jar and add the milk, Greek yogurt, scoop the avocado, add frozen bananas, frozen strawberries, vanilla essence, and honey. You can add any other fruit or frozen berries of your choice. Blend together till they form a homogeneous and a thick smoothie. Then transfer it to a glass and garnish it with strawberry or banana. Enjoy your healthy and delicious cup of fruit smoothie. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and support me by subscribing to my channel and share the video with your family and friends.